Wellness 101. Expert tips for healthy living.
When summertime comes, I see a lot of my patients who want to garden, but they might have an injury such as low back pain or knee pain or an inability to get on the ground that limits them from being able to. One of the things that physical therapists can do is evaluate your balance, your stability on your feet, teach you different strategies to get down and up safely in order to avoid a fall that might prevent you from doing the things that you like. A couple of things that could help prevent an injury in the garden are gardening gloves and a kneeling pad. Both of these are safety measures to avoid any pain in your knees or your hands. Physical therapists can help by teaching you how to use your body more efficiently, as well as building the necessary strength to both prevent a fall as well as any future injuries. Physical therapists can treat anything from a minor strain or sprain all the way up to a complex and chronic medical condition you might be working with. And it's important to act quickly if you're noticing anything out of the norm for yourself.
To learn more about St. Peter's Physical Therapy Services, visit sphealth.org/pt.